what nature has taught me. Don't worry about being beautiful. The light and the shade will paint patterns upon your body as you duck under branches and seek shade beneath leaves. You are already an artwork walking amongst the trees. Don't worry about how little you know. For the duckling to become a duck, it must take time to grow. Don't worry about what others may think. If puddles compared themselves to lakes and lakes compared themselves to oceans, they'd forget they are all the same, worthy of devotion.